In this video, we'll be showing how to set up and engrave a border in 3 easy steps. First, we'll mark the corners so we can define the border. We do this by marking the top corner on the outside. And then we select the bottom corner on the outside. This gives us the size of the border. Finally, we mark the inside of the border to determine thickness. Second step, we need to define the fields. Select Frame on the screen. Move the red dot to the first corner and press Accept. Next, move to second corner and press Accept. And now mark the thickness of the frame. And our frame is set. Third step, we need to adjust the height. Using the up and down buttons, we move the brush closer to the surface until the brushes touch the material. It's time to run our job. Like, subscribe and turn on your post notifications for more educational videos.